Fistfuls of Green by Jennifer Stewart Miller. Scrub pine, not a tree anyone wants to plant, but a runty one, a scrapper scrabbling out of miserable soil, windswept coastal lands. The kind of tree that, even when young, tends to be gnarled, if maybe a little beautiful in moonlight, a paltry shade maker, pugilist, porcupine, thrusting fistfuls of green into the needling wind. A tree in which a starling preens his black, backbreaking work to endure in scrub lands, gripping the sandy earth, maybe over a lifetime, making the dirt a tad less poor. Come spring, its seed cones have gone gray, plain enough beauty for even the old Puritans, that ancestral branch that tugs at my roots, a faint gilt at the occasional scarlet-painted toes or choice of wine over milk. But if you are pine, you don't grieve over much about what can't be helped. Ancestors, bad soil, whether you have the spine to be scrub. You are here to impede the wind. You are here to take your time.